Hello and welcome. When running plastic tubes in a Norden machine using hot air sealing, there are a few basic things to consider in order to have a good looking and strong seal. This is a box of tubes. It needs to have a lid because without the lid, the tubes will get dirty on the inside. The box itself needs to follow the specified tolerances regarding size. It needs to be stable, and the tubes needs to be nicely packed, just like you can see here. The same thing applies to the tubes themselves. They need to follow the specified tolerances regarding, for example, outside diameter and ovality. The function of the tube holder is to hold the tube firmly in the machine and to give it a good support. So what happens if the tube holder is too wide? Well, this will create instability, causing the tube not to stand straight in the holder, and will create a cutoff that is not straight. If all is good, like here, the tube holder is holding the tube nice and firm, and it's absolutely stable. This is how we like to see them, clean and free from burnt product and plastic. We can see three main problem areas here, which may influence the quality of the seal. First, using a worn out or damaged filling nozzle, which leaks and drips. Second, using the wrong settings for the filling. Third, using the wrong type of filling nozzle for the product being filled. Bad filling will show itself in the form of strings or splashes of product inside the tube. This will contaminate the sealing area and make it impossible to seal the tube.